Alright, this is how you make a, what's it? This is how you make an ambush sound effect. Rush. If you want to know how to make the flickering sound, please go to the rush sound effect video. First, you're going to need a phone, computer, or iPad, or whatever else you got to play stuff. So first you need to go search up ambush sound effect and play it. Curse commercials.
Hold up, let me cut. 3, 2, 1, go.
This is how you make an ambush sound. Curse.